Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Toyota's latest entry into the electric SUV world, the all-new 2025 Toyota BZ3X. If you're looking for a luxury electric SUV that blends modern design, cutting-edge tech, and Toyota's legendary reliability, this one might just be worth your attention. Let's check out what makes the BZ3X stand out in a market filled with strong competition. Right off the bat, the exterior styling of the BZ3X is bold and futuristic. Toyota's gone all in on sleek aerodynamic lines, sharp LED headlights, and a low-slung roofline that gives it a coupe-like silhouette while still delivering the practicality of an SUV. It rides on a new version of Toyota's e-Tienga electric platform, which gives it a confident stance and helps with interior space optimization. The front fascia is aggressive, with a closed-off grille and sharp creases that signal its EV nature. Around the back, the taillight design stretches the width of the vehicle and lights up with a unique signature when braking or signaling, giving it a distinctive look, day or night. The BZ3X rides on 20-inch alloy wheels that not only look great but also help with overall aerodynamic efficiency. It's a design that feels upscale but not too flashy, definitely fitting the luxury EV space Toyota is aiming for. Now let's step inside, and this is where the BZ3X really starts to flex. The cabin is spacious, quiet, and high-tech. You immediately notice the large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster floating behind the steering wheel, paired with a massive 14-inch central touchscreen that controls pretty much everything: navigation, climate, media, and vehicle settings. Toyota's latest infotainment software feels snappy and intuitive, and yes, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right out of the box. The materials throughout the interior are premium. We're talking soft-touch leather alternatives, real metal accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The seats are plush and supportive, both heated and ventilated up front, with available massage functions on the higher trims. Rear passengers won't feel left out either. There's generous legroom, USB-C ports, and even an optional rear touchscreen climate control panel. One feature that's gotten a lot of attention is the panoramic glass roof. It really opens up the cabin and makes it feel even more spacious and airy. Toyota includes electrochromic tinting so you can darken it at the press of a button, which is a nice touch. And of course, sound insulation is top-notch. Road and wind noise are almost non-existent at highway speeds, giving you that luxury EV quiet ride. Let's talk about performance. The BZ3X is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup on most trims, delivering around 300 horsepower and going from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds. While it's not meant to be a performance EV like a Tesla Model Y performance, it offers strong, smooth acceleration and a very refined driving feel. The single-motor front-wheel drive variant is a little slower but still plenty quick for daily driving. The handling is responsive, and Toyota has clearly worked on making this SUV feel more planted through corners, especially compared to their past SUVs. The steering has a nice weight to it, and the regenerative braking is customizable, so you can dial in how aggressive you want the one-pedal driving feel to be. Battery range is solid too. Toyota estimates between 280 and 320 miles on a full charge depending on the configuration. Fast charging is supported, with up to 150 kilowatts DC fast charging capability, allowing for about 80% charge in just over 30 minutes. That's not class-leading, but it's competitive and more than enough for most buyers. Now, safety and driver assistance are a big part of the package. The 2025 BZ3X comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, and automatic emergency braking. There's also an available advanced parking system that can park the vehicle for you, even in tight spots. Alright, let's get down to price. The base front-wheel drive BZ3X starts around $46,000, which puts it in direct competition with vehicles like the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Step up to the AWD Limited trim with all the luxury features and you're looking at closer to $54,000. For what you get in terms of tech, build quality, and brand reputation, it's actually pretty competitive, especially if you qualify for federal or state EV incentives. So, who is the Toyota BZ3X for? It's for buyers who want the comfort and features of a Lexus-level interior, with the practicality of an SUV and the clean power of a fully electric drivetrain, all from a brand known for dependability. Toyota took their time entering the electric SUV game, but it looks like they came in strong with this one. Is it the ultimate luxury electric SUV? That depends on what you value. But for many people, the BZ3X will hit a very sweet spot between premium feel, real-world usability, and trusted brand quality. If you're in the market for an EV this year, this one definitely deserves a test drive. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the Toyota BZ3X over a Tesla or a Mach-E? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.